Hi friends, I'm Helen with Floating Yoga School here in Maui. Got the West Maui Mountains behind me, doing an early morning sunrise flow. This will be a mini mandala or around the world flow, so moving around our mat in different ways. A great way to kind of shift our perspective, prepare for the day, or anytime you need a change of scenery, mentally, energetically, even physically, get into your body, get out of your head. We're gonna start standing today at the top of your space. Feet can be about hip distance apart or together, whatever feels good. Take a little rock forward and back and side to side. Find that sweetness between your legs, that evenness, and then allow for some stillness. Palms forward, open up through your collarbones, nice tall spine. Eyes steady or closed. Begin to tune in and regulate your breath. Ujjayi, victorious breath in and out through your nose. Let it be audible. Let it guide you. If you have someone near you or in the room with you, they can hear your breath. As you next inhale, reach your arms to the sky, look up. Exhale, forward fold, hinge from your hips. Inhale, halfway lift, lengthen. Exhale, hands down, step just your left foot back. Sink your hips, inhale. Drop your left knee as you exhale, shift your weight back. Maybe like a half split. Does not have to be intense, still really early. Rebend into your front knee, inhale to a low lunge, arms reach high. Exhale, hold, let your hips sink forward, find a little stretch. One more breath in. We're going to exhale, open to a supported warrior two, so your back foot pivots behind, arms reach into your T, adjust your legs, your feet as you need. Finding that same warrior two shape we do standing, but with the knee down. Inhale into a supported side plank. Left hand's going to come to your mat, right leg extends, adjust your knee, your foot. I like my toes pointing to the long edge of my mat. Find a big stretch. And then lower to hands and knees, tabletop to the back of your space. Adjust however you need. Inhale to cow pose, lift and lengthen. Exhale to cat, scoop round, press the earth away. Two more times. Breathe in, cow pose. Breathe out to cat. Again, inhale. And exhale. Neutral spine, breathe in. Downward facing dog as you exhale. Bend your knees, inhale, look to your hands. Use your exhale to travel forward fold, top of your space. Lift halfway, lengthen. Fold, release. Rise up, reach up, arms float high. Palms together in front of your heart, exhale. Inhale, reach to the sky. Exhale, dive forward over your legs. Halfway lift, breathe in. Exhale, hands down. Step left foot back again. This time we'll keep knee lifted. Sink your hips, inhale. And then start to turn to the side of your mat to your left as you exhale. Wide-legged forward fold. Breathe in, lift and lengthen. Breathe out, fold. Inhale, lift. Exhale toward your left foot again, this time to the other side of your mat. Take a breath in. Big step up, right foot meets your left. Halfway lift, breathe in. And folds, breathe out. We're moving quickly. Inhale, hands high to stay present. Exhale, hands to heart to stay connected. Same thing to the other side. Inhale, reach hands high. Exhale, bow forward. Halfway lift, breathe in. Hands down, step your right foot back. Take an inhale, sink your hips. Exhale, drop your knee, find that half split shape or as close as it'll get this early. Rebend your front knee. Low lunge, arms reach high, right knee is down. Sink into it. One more breath in. Open to that funky warrior two with your knee down as you breathe out. Really sink into your legs, feel the space, And then inhale into supported side plank, right hand down, adjust your feet, left arm high, and into your tabletop to the back of your mat. Adjust as you need. 3 rounds of cow and cat. Inhale, lift. Exhale, round through your tailbone, chin to chest. Breathe in, belly down, lengthen. Breathe out, press the earth away. Once more. Once more, how about that? Exhale, round. Neutral spine. Downward facing dog, hips to the sky. Bend your knees, breathe in, look forward. Step or hop to your hands, exhale. Halfway lift, lengthen. Folds, release. Stand tall, reach high, hands float up. Palms together in front of your heart, let it go. Inhale to reach, Urdhva Hastasana. Exhale, forward fold, Uttanasana. Halfway lift, breathe in, Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, hands down, right foot steps back. Sink your hips, breathe in. Exhale, turn toward the right side of your mat, wide-legged forward fold. Breathe in, lengthen. Breathe out, fold. Inhale, lengthen to the other side of your mat. Right foot is forward now. Exhale, sink. 1 breath in. Left foot meets your right as you breathe out. So that was 1 full cycle, halfway lifts. Left, left, right, right. Exhale, folds. We're going to keep changing and adding on. Inhale, stand. Exhale, palms together in front of your heart, but that same idea, moving around in one direction then the other. This time, weight into your right foot, left knee comes up, one-legged Tadasana. Warrior 3, exhale, send your foot back, your heart forward. Take 1 breath in. High crescent lunge, exhale. Hands high, big inhale. Warrior 2 to the side as you exhale. A full breath in and out. Inhale, star pose, reach. Exhale, warrior 2 to the back of your space. Left knee bends. Reverse warrior, breathe in, up and back. Exhale, cartwheel your hands down. Make your way to downward facing dog. Big step back. You're welcome to stay here. You're welcome to take a flow if you like. High plank, upper push-up. Move through your chaturanga halfway or all the way down. Up dog or cobra. Back to downward facing dog. Bend your knees, breathe in, look to your hands. Step or hop, top of your space, exhale. Inhale, halfway lift, lengthen. And fold, release. Stand up, reach up, hands high. Palms together in front of your heart, exhale. Inhale to chair pose. Exhale, hands to your heart. Hover your left heel, sit a little deeper. One-legged Tadasana, breathe it in. Exhale, warrior 3, foot back. Inhale. This time standing splits as you exhale, leg a little higher, relax your head and neck. Big step back, breathe in, sink your hips. Exhale to the side, find that wide-legged forward fold again. Halfway lift to lengthen. Folds to deepen your stretch. 1 full round of breath. Turn toward your left foot. A little surfer squat skandasana. Turn your left toes and your right toes out. Bend into your left knee and go as low as your body allows. Breathe into your inner thighs. And then turn to the back of your space. Big step up. Right foot meets your left. Halfway lift, inhale. Fold, release. Stand tall, reach high. Big breath in. Palms together in front of your heart. Exhale. This time, weight to your left foot, one-legged Tadasana, right knee lifts. Inhale. Warrior 3 as you exhale, foot back, heart forward. Big inhale to extend. Exhale takes you to your high crescent lunge, step back. Inhale, hands high. Exhale, warrior 2, open to the side. 1 breath in and out. Inhale, star pose, heels in, toes out, reach. Exhale, warrior 2, back of your space. Reverse warrior, breathe in, up and back. Exhale, cartwheel your hands down, make your way to down dog. And your choice if you take a flow, hold your plank, straight to down dog, whatever you need to reset, whatever feels supportive. Bend your knees, breathe in, look to your hands, travel, forward fold. Halfway lift, lengthen. Folds, release. Stand tall, reach high, hands up. Palms together in front of your heart, exhale. Chair pose, Utkatasana, find that depth. Hands to your heart if you want. I can't remember if we did that on the other side. Let's lift to right heel. Sink a little deeper. One-legged Tadasana, lift your knee. Warrior 3, send your foot back, heart forward. Deep breath in. This time standing splits, hands down, leg reaches, head relaxes. One inhale. Big step back as you exhale. Sink your hips, inhale. Turn toward your right, find your wide-legged forward fold. Breathe in, lengthen. Breathe out, fold. One round of breath. Lift it back up, Skandasana to your right. Turn your toes out, heels in. Sink as low as your body allows, maybe a snap, crackle, pop if you're with me. And then all the way to the other side of your mat. Slow lunge, big step up. Halfway lift, breathe in. Excuse me, exhale, fold. Inhale, rise, hands high. Exhale, palms together in front of your heart. Inhale to chair pose. Hands to heart, figure 4, right ankle over your left thigh. Send your hips back. Breathe here for a few moments. Cross your right ankle down your left leg. Forward fold with ankles crossed. Nod yes, breathe in. Shake no, breathe out. Weight into your right foot. Hands might have to come a little bit forward. Left leg, your back foot crossed behind, lifts up into half moon. Begin to open up. Left side stacking over right. Maybe you hover your right hand. Full breath in. Warrior 2 as you exhale. Inhale, star pose, reach. Exhale, warrior 2 to the back of your space. Reverse warrior, breathe in, up and back into side angle as you exhale. Forearm to your thigh. Right arm reaches high, straight up or over your head. Slide your shoulder blades down your back. Feel your stretch. Full inhale. Exhale, release your hands. Frame your left foot, step back. Move through a flow or straight to downward facing dog. Wherever you are, you're breathing consciously, fully. Bend your knees, breathe in, look to your hands. Travel, forward fold, top of your space. Inhale, halfway lift. And exhale, fold. Rise up, reach up. Palms together in front of your heart. Weight into your right foot, tree pose with your left foot up. Ankle, calf, or thigh. Palms press in. If you'd like, you can challenge your balance. Reach up, look up. Find your breath. Hands to your heart. Draw your left knee forward. Inhale. Step your foot back. We're going to set up for triangle. So body turns to the side, right toes to the short edge of your mat, left toes to the long edge. Breathe in, reach. Breathe out, right hand down, left arm up. Couple rounds of breath to feel it. Doesn't matter how deep you go, try to get light on your bottom hand. Rise back up, switch your feet, just triangle to the other side, reach. Set yourself up, and a few rounds of breath. Inhale, rise back up, big step up, right foot meets your left, standing top of your space, release your arms. Hands float high, breathe in. Palms together in front of your heart, breathe out. Second side. Inhale to chair. Figure 4, left ankle crosses, hips back. Send breath into your glutes. Breathe here. One more inhale. Cross ankle fold, exhale, left foot down your right. Relax your hands, head and neck. Nod yes, breathe in. Shake it no, breathe out. Weight into left foot, hands a little forward, lift your right leg. Standing splits into half moon, left fingers below your face. Right shoulder, hip stack over your left. Deep breath in. Big step back, warrior 2. Inhale, star pose, reach. Exhale, warrior 2 to the other side of your mats. Reverse warrior, breathe in. Side angle, breathe out, forearm down. Left hand up or over your head. A few rounds of breath here to feel it. One more inhale. Exhale, release your hands, frame your right foot. Make your way back to downward facing dog. You decide how you get there, through a flow or simply stepping back if you're like me and your shoulders do not want chaturanga today. Bend your knees, breathe in, look to your hands. Make your way to your forward folds. Halfway lift, lengthen. And folds, release. Stand tall, reach high, hands float up. Palms together in front of your heart. We're almost done. Weight into your left foot, right foot comes up, tree pose, Vrikshasana. Find your balance, hands to heart, or maybe you grow your branches, reach high. Bring your palms back down. Lift your knee in front of you and then step back, set up for your triangle. Starting left, tee out your arms, reach forward, left hand down, right arm up. A couple rounds of breath, maybe this time through you play with beach ball arms or just the extended Utthita Trikonasana, arm over your head. Inhale to rise and swap out your legs. Other side, reach. Right hand down, left arm up, maybe over your head, maybe your beach ball. Wherever you are, you're breathing. And slowly rise back up. Big step up, left foot meets your right. Pause here for a moment, adjust however you need. Palms together in front of your heart, or one hand to your belly, one hand to your chest. Just notice what, if anything, has shifted. How moving a little bit quicker around your mat in different ways has hopefully changed up your energy, shifted something. And thank yourself for making the time to move, to breathe, to be present. You're more than welcome to take a full Shavasana, add in extra shapes, whatever it is you need today. Or palms together in front of your heart. Join me in the gentle bow, sealing in this practice and carrying this presence with you off your mat into all that you do. Thank you as always for being here, for practicing with me. If you have any requests, questions, don't hesitate to reach out. And be sure to stay tuned here on YouTube as well as on social media at Floating Yoga School and my website, floatingyogaschool.com. The latest in all the happenings, lots of fun retreats and workshops coming up. I would love to see you and meet in person, and hopefully I'll practice with you soon.